Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Now we are going to delete the purchase order. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So this is the delete operation for the purchase order. Let's use that one. So first of all, let's comment this and we are going to go with purchase, delete a purchase order. We have to pass the ID. So already ID we have here. No, this one. Okay, put the ID over here, right? And delete with IDs. I think we should go with the params, I suppose. Let's see what will happen if I'm going to sending like this. Okay, I think might be there would be an error. Let's see here. I need to just update the path also. Here we go with in, save it. And let's now we're going to run it. So error that required params. I think it will go with our delete. So let me just check this orders updated, deleted. So here this is how we are going to send, that is a params. Okay, params object. So let's have a look, params. Okay, let's have a look. My now this will not be a issue. Okay, what will happen? Status phone bad request, params IDs and ID. Let's have a look. Now it is correct. Okay, records deleted and it will not longer found. Here you can see that this action cannot be performed. It should be in recycle bin. Okay, so this is how you can delete that one. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.